My mom always told me everything happens for good. But not to people who just believe that, but to those who actually keep going, one foot in front of the other, step by step. Giving up is never an option. Strive, fall, get back up, keep moving, keep flying until you reach the horizon. Just keep telling yourself that you can and you will watch me. Because you are your only competition.
Hey guys, hi. This is Abhishek, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. कैसे चल रही मेरे बच्चों की ज़िंदगी? So people, I am here today because a lot of things has been happening, right? People taking extreme steps, actors, celebrities, not only them, students from different states of our country, students from all around the world, they're also taking these extreme steps during this situation, during any sort of points in their life, right? So during this situation, I thought कि I really need to tell all of you guys कि what is the purpose of your life, so that you do not think that you have to take this extreme step anyhow, anytime. I'm not going to tell you कि don't do it, don't do that, don't do this. What I'm going to tell you is कि why you should know why you should not do it, right? That's why I'm here for people. I really hope that all of you guys will extend support to me as well. Okay? So a lot of us have been in depression. I also have been in depression. A lot of people in the entire life, everyone has to go through that phase of depression. That is normal. That's how life works out. And during that particular time, we all research, we all try to find out what is the purpose of our life. And the same way, I also try to find it out, people. I also try to find out. I went on internet. I tried to find out how to go through this depression. What is the purpose of my life? क्या करना है? What should I do? Went through a lot of YouTube videos and finally came out to the conclusion that something which I observed in people, your life experiences actually gives you the purpose of your life. It gives you clarity. बताऊं कैसे? बताता हूं. And this was also, stamped up. It was also cross-checked by one of the TEDx videos lately which I saw. Okay? So it's a lot of points derived from there as well. So I'm pretty sure you guys are aware that I'm 25 now and I've definitely seen a lot more amount of people as compared to you. Many of you guys who are watching this are students. Many of you guys who are watching this might be someone else who are not a student. But I'm pretty sure I've seen a lot of people in my life, and these people have ranged from different financial backgrounds, different personal backgrounds. कोई मतलब किसी के पास एक घर है, किसी के पास दो घर है, किसी कोई रेंट पे रहता है, किसी के पास घर भी नहीं है, किसी के पास एक बच्चा है, किसी के पास दो बच्चे हैं, किसी के पास है बहुत सारी चीज़ें है कि नहीं. So they have ranged from different backgrounds, financial and personally both. But out of all the peoples who have met people, 80% of them are not happy or satisfied with their life. 80% of them are not happy or satisfied with their life. Right? And how sad is that? You won't believe me? You don't want to believe me? Let me ask you the same question. Are you happy or satisfied with your life, people? Are you happy or satisfied with your life? Let me know the answer on the chat or on the comments right now. I'm pretty sure many of you guys might be thinking, should I write down yes? Should I write down no? Many of you guys might actually write down yes sir, I'm happy with my life. But deep down inside you might be thinking no sir, कुछ तो ऐसा चल रहा है जो मेरे को मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. But many of you guys genuinely might be saying yes, but I'm pretty sure majority of you guys would be saying no, and a lot of you guys would be sitting and watching the comments and the chat कि should I say yes or no? देखते हैं बाकी लोग क्या कह रहे हैं. I'm pretty sure you must be doing this, right? Do let me know, people. Do let me know. Great. So yes, I hope you understand that why 80% were not happy. But something to think about is, why was the other 20% so happy or satisfied with their life? I introspected and I found out that these 20% of people knew the answers to the following 5 questions. Intentionally or unintentionally उनको इन 5 सवालों के जवाब पता थे. कौन से सवाल थे वो? बताता हूं आपको. उसके लिए तो ये सेशन है. Number 1, who are you? Simple and straightforward question. Who are you? Number 2, what do you do? Number 3, whatever you're doing, whom are you doing it for? Number 4, whatever you're doing for anyone, do they actually need it Do they actually require it? Number 5, what is the outcome of what you did? Was it positive, negative, or no outcome? These 5 questions answered they knew, and these are those people who were happy and satisfied, who found purpose in life. So are you guys all ready to find purpose in life in the next 3 minutes, people? Are you guys ready? Along with me, I'm also going to answer these 5 questions in front of you right now, and I'm going to think, am I satisfied? Have I found the purpose of my life or not? Are you guys ready? Ready, people? Okay, I want all the answers on the chats and the comments for all these 5 questions. Let's go forward. Number 1, people, who are you? One of the most easiest questions. Who are you? I am Abhishek. What are you guys? Put down your names on the chat and the comment. Who are you? My name is this, sir. Be proud of it. I'm myself, and my parents name me this. I'm happy. Who am I? I'm Abhishek. Number 2, simple question. What do you do? Now, as a student, you might not be able to answer this, but as anyone else, any other occupation, anyone you are, you might be able to answer this, right? Me, who am I? I'm a teacher. I'm a very, very proud teacher. Very happy about it. I'm a teacher. 2 simple questions. You can write down what do you want to do in the future. You might write down what do you want to do. You want to become an artist. You are a astronaut. You are a doctor. You are an engineer. You are a dancer, choreographer, musician. Write it down. Number 3, people. Let's go on to number 3. Things get interesting from here. The first 2 questions were super easy because they were related to you. Now comes down to the 3rd question, which is, who are you doing it for? Whatever you're doing it. Who are you doing it for? I know the answer. I'm doing it for you. I'm a teacher, and teacher's life is dependent upon students. I'm doing it for the students, for kids, for everyone who needs quality education, who needs free education, who needs education. That's what we're doing it for. Happy about it. I'm glad that I'm doing it. I have taught from 8th to 12th standard. I have done how much ever I could. I give so many videos on YouTube, regular sessions. I teach almost all the students in CBSE 10th grade. A lot more to cover though, but yeah, right? I'm happy about it, man. Happy about it. What about you, people? What about you? Who are you doing it for? I'm also doing it for my family. I know. I'm clear about it. What is more important is, are you clear about it, whom you're doing it for? I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for my family. I'm doing it for me. I know that. Very good, very clarity. So whatever you wanted to become, artist, musician, whom are you doing it for? Answer that by yourself. I'm no one to answer it for you. Moving to question number 4 now. Whatever you are doing or whatever you plan to do that people whom you're doing it for, they actually need it, require it? What do you think, people? What am I doing for all of you guys? Do you need it? Do you require it? If you say yes, if you say no, I will get my answer, right? So according to me, my students need me the same way I need my students. My family needs me the same way I need my family. I need myself as well, right? So whatever I'm doing it for you people, and I see that you actually need me, require me for education. My family needs me for support and love. I need myself because I am me, right? What do you think? Whatever you are going to do it for, do they actually need it or not? If they don't need it, then the only person who's going to be happy about what you're doing is no one. Neither will you be happy, neither will anyone else. Trust me, people. I have done that, been there. Doesn't help out. Moving to the 5th question. What's the outcome of what you're doing in those people whom you're doing it for? According to it's a positive outcome. For me, it's a positive outcome, I believe. You get good scores, my family loves me, I love myself. It's a positive outcome. Looks like that I have found purpose in my life. Teaching is the purpose of my life. Teaching as many students as possible. Going to the corners of the world and teaching them. Looks like that I find purpose in my life. Right? Maybe, maybe not. But have you found out the purpose in your life now after watching this video? Do let me know, people, in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this video helped you in some way or the other and inspired you to not to take the extreme step. And I'm pretty sure you will inspire others by sharing this video, by sharing these things to them. Bye, people. Take care. Until we meet the next time, this is Abhishek signing off. Enjoy your life. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Take care.